Wait for Daddy. For Daddy.
Happy Resurrection Day.
Oh, that's so nice, girls. He looks so pretty.
Happy Easter.
Welcome if you're new, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back. So I pre-prepped last night. You know, I'm making my usual. This started out as a really small dinner. My mom started out by just saying, oh, we're just gonna have a turkey breast, some green beans, and some scalloped potatoes, and now it's like a full-on huge meal. So I'm making macaroni and cheese, my stuffing, and a pound cake today for Easter, and my mom is making a whole bunch of stuff, which you'll see later in the vlog. So I'm gonna get started. Husband's gonna help. The girls are opening their Easter baskets, and it's too early for me to show my face. It's like I have crust all over it. So hubby's gonna help. The girls are gonna dye some eggs, and we're just gonna celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. So are you excited about your LOLs, baby? Ooh. Okay, let's hold on. Okay, let's pop open your.
Is that the confetti one?
Yep. Ready?
Daddy.
What?
Ava.
Go ahead, baby. Ooh! Love those confetti pops.
Where's Mom's one?
I got to comment on that.
Don't you love the mess it makes? Don't you love them, babe?
I'm convinced whoever made that is single.
Whoever made this doesn't have kids. Okay, hold it. Now pull it, pull the string.
Okay, slip. Stop.
Woo! Yay! Cute mess. Okay.
It'd be nice if the LOL came and cleaned it as well.
Okay. Let's see, Ava. Alright guys, so I'm just doing my normal dressing. I put sage sausage in my dressing. I talked about it in 2 of my Thanksgiving videos. You can tap the eye in the upper right hand corner to watch it, and that's what the cornbread is for, and my breadcrumbs, my homemade breadcrumbs. Not breadcrumbs, my homemade croutons. Yeah, so I don't have an exact recipe, but you can watch those videos and see exactly what I do. But it's the same old same. I can't wait to eat. I'm like starving right now. But I'm just gonna fry this up, and then also continue chopping up my celery and my onion. Guys, so my celery and onions have been cooking for a while. I like it so that the celery isn't crunchy or anything. I don't want to taste a crunch when I'm eating my stuffing, so I make them so that they're nice and soft. They are going to cook a little bit more in the oven. I only bake it for about 30-45 minutes though, until it gets like brown on the top. But the onions are almost pretty much translucent at this point, which is perfect. I make a little side amount for my dad because he does not eat pork, so I make him a little separate dish for his, so I have his onion and celery in this one. And then the butter that I use to cook the onions and celery in is this Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. Is so good. I use a whole stick of it in here and then a half a stick in here. This is really good. I love this butter. And then here's my sage and my fresh black pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. So we're on a roll here. I'm getting ready to mix my dressing. I have 3 pans of the cornbread that I made last night. And so what I do is I cut them in these grids here so that when I dump it in here, supposed to fall out, but hold on. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. They fall out in the little squares, like so. It's just easier to mix up like that. So I add a little bit of, I do a pan of the cornbread, a third of the sausage, a third of the, that's my shredded cheese my husband shredded, a third of the croutons, and then a third of the onions and celery and butter. And then I pour in some chicken stock, mix it. And I keep doing that 3 times until everything's mixed up, and I will save a little bit for my dad's pan. So this is the consistency after you add the chicken stock. It's a little wet, but as I add in the more layers, you'll see, and in between each layer, I will season it and taste it and just keep seasoning it until it's to my liking. Okay, so this is about the consistency you're looking for here, that I like personally, but you can experiment with it however you like. If you make it any more wet than this, then you'll have to bake it a little bit longer. And I like to bake mine 30-45 minutes tops. So, and I just add a little chicken stock at a time when I get to this stage, because I don't want to make it too wet. You can always add more, but you can't take it back out, right? So now I'm going to get ready to butter my dish and put it in the casserole dish. All right, so this is about the consistency you want. You see how it does that? You hear that? It sounds nasty, but that's about the consistency that you want, and it fits perfectly in my Pioneer Woman casserole dish. I love these casserole dishes. I always use them during the holidays, and just fits perfectly in there. So now I'm gonna just wrap this in foil, and I will end up baking this at my mom's, because it's better if you just bake it. It only takes 30-45 minutes. And as soon as you take it out, it's ready to serve instead of like waiting hours, you know. So now I'm going to work on my macaroni and cheese. All right, guys, so now I'm on to the mac and cheese. I boiled the macaroni al dente. I added the cheddar, the cheese that was shredded here. I had mild cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, and then a small box of Velveeta. I have this recipe on my Pinterest page. If you're interested, I just like creamy mac and cheese, super creamy. I just put 2 cups of half and half in there. Then you season it and taste it. I just season it with white pepper and pink Himalayan salt, and I just keep seasoning it until I like it. You keep tasting it before you add the eggs. So I'll taste it one more time, then I'll add 2 lightly beaten eggs, and then I'm going to put it in my buttered casserole dish. Okay, so the mac and cheese is ready. I'm not gonna bake it. Again, I'm gonna bake it at my mom's. 350, 30-35 minutes. This is a creamy macaroni and cheese. It's like extra creamy. I think I put a lot extra cheese in it this time, but who doesn't like a little extra cheese from now, you know, now and then. So, all right, I'm gonna wrap this in foil, and now I'm ready to bake my cake. Okay, guys, so I am getting ready to bake my pound cake. And can you guys tell which one is the Kerrygold butter and which one is the regular butter? I always say that the Kerrygold is so good. It's so good. Once you start using it, even though it's expensive, you'll never want to go back because the taste is so different. Well, if you guess the dark, you're right. I only have 2 sticks of Kerrygold, and I have to use 1 stick of Land O'Lakes, but the cake's still going to come out delicious. But I'm telling you, that Kerrygold, there's something special about it. Okay, so right now I'm sifting my cake flour, 3 cups of it. Doesn't take long. It's so easy with like this. Just shake it. It comes right on out. Yes, baby.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. I want you to be a good girl, okay? All right. I have 2 helpers now. Gotta start them young, right? Stop, honey. No, don't touch it from the bottom. Just keep hitting it like I told you. There you go. Yep, you're just hitting it. Good job.
You have to.
Family affair.
33, 34,
Good job, girls.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right,
Okay,
Ava.
cut it off. Cut it off, Ava. Other way. Yep, good job. Wait, Zara. Wait till it's okay. Now
right,
pull it
your
down.
turn.
Good job.
There you go.
Let's go to work.
Teamwork.
Good job.
Teamwork.
Yeah. Say Happy Resurrection Day.
Happy Resurrection Day.
Oh, that's so nice, girls. You look so pretty.
Happy Easter.
Hi guys. Okay, so I can finally show my face. It's like a mad dash for me to get the girls ready. My husband gets to take as long as he wants to get ready, and then for me, I have like 10 minutes to take a shower, do my hair, wash my face, all of that. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if that's you too. If you as the mom, if you always have the least amount of time to get ready. It doesn't matter how much time in advance we start getting ready. I always only have 10 or 15 minutes. But anyway, so we packed the car up. Say hi.
Hey guys, I'm Ava and happy Easter. Hi, I'm Zara and I like fashion and happy Easter.
Oh, okay. You like fashion. Okay.
Easter.
Woo! Okay, so anyway, we're on our way to my mom's. It's a beautiful day here. Beautiful, beautiful day. So we're on our way to my mom's and I'll show you guys all the food once it's all set up. Oh, are you guys looking for the eggs? We made it to my mom's. And now the girls are out here looking for eggs. Hey, babe.
No, Ava, come here. Ava.
Ava, look, right there, baby. Go get it. Zara, right there. Right there. Ava, you dropped one, baby. You dropped one. Turn around. Wait a minute. Shh. Stop screaming. That's an egg. Mom with her infamous knife. Beautiful turkey breast, mother. Thank you. Open it all up. I always get questions about where my mom got this knife from. You got it off the Amazon, right, Mom? Huh?
No, I got this at Williams.
Oh, she got it at Williams-Sonoma. But I think you can get it on Amazon. If you can, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm making the gravy right now, guys. With the dripping. It's almost time to eat. My stuffing and mac and cheese all done. Mom's now swiping up the ham. We just did a hamburger. Watch your fingers, Mom. Okay? We know you're a pro, but.
So she wanted to walk around with the shorts on.
I don't know why Zara took her shorts off. Skirt. Ava doesn't like skirts, so she took hers off. Okay, so we got our turkey breast and turkey ham, some ham, green beans, carrots, scalloped potatoes, beans. And we have the potato salad, some candied yams, deviled eggs. This is my dad's dressing, mac and cheese, and then the sausage dressing. Here's my pound cake, guys. It looks beautiful. And then I made this glaze for it, this lemon glaze with just a little bit of powdered sugar, fresh lemon juice, and vanilla extract to pour over it. Then I made these waves for a chocolate cake. Yum, yum, yum. We also have peach cobbler and banana pudding. All right, guys, it's about 8:30 tonight. We had a wonderful fellowship. It was just really, really great. Eating with family and friends. It was just wonderful. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you celebrated, what you cooked for your family. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!